So now we are going to learn how to comment in your program. So what is comment here? Suppose you are working and somewhere you wrote any important logic, or sometime like you will forget. So that's why you can put some reminder. So how you can put it? This thing, you just come and try to give here forward slash two times, okay, and just give like anything like hello, okay. So now you can see here it is coming into the green color, so color has been changed. But if I remove one, you can see it will show error. So always try to give into two times. So this is a one way to comment. Another way is like how we can do comment. Suppose I don't want this line here to here. What you can do, you can just come and just press the control and forward slash. So you can see it has been showing two times here. Another way is what you can do, you can again come and select this here to here and just use control shift forward slash. So it has been already commented, so you can see color has been changed. But suppose you want to remove this one from here to here, if you want to remove, what you can do, just do reverse of this one, control shift and backward slash, so it will come into the previous state.